Today, we embark on a historical journey to understand the Korean War, a conflict that reshaped the geopolitical landscape of the 20th century. Korea, once under Japanese occupation, found itself caught in the tides of World War II's aftermath. Liberated yet divided, the North and South became pawns in a burgeoning Cold War. The Soviet-backed Democratic People's Republic of Korea in the north and the United States-supported Republic of Korea in the south stood on either side of the 38th parallel, a line that would soon become a flashpoint of conflict. On June 25, 1950, North Korean forces, armed with Soviet tanks, crossed into South Korea. The invasion was a strategic attempt by Kim Il-sung to unify the peninsula under communist rule. The United Nations, in an unprecedented move, voted to intervene. Led by the United States, an international coalition formed to repel the North Korean aggression. It was a rare instance of global unity during the Cold War era. September 1950 marked a turning point. The United Nations Command, under General Douglas MacArthur, executed the Incheon landing, a bold, amphibious assault. This move cut North Korean supply lines, forcing them to retreat. United Nations forces pushed towards the Yalu River, the border with China. Alarmed, China entered the war, launching the first phase offensive, significantly altering the war's dynamics. What followed was a war of attrition, marked by fierce battles and little territorial gain. Diplomatic efforts in Panmunjom finally led to an armistice on July 27, 1953. The war reached a stalemate, the borders virtually unchanged. The war's legacy is profound. It cemented the division of Korea and heightened Cold War tensions. South Korea eventually emerged as a vibrant democracy with a booming economy, while North Korea, under continued Kim dynasty rule, grew more isolated. The fighting ended on 27 July 1953 when the Korean Armistice Agreement was signed. The agreement created the Korean Demilitarized Zone, DMZ, to separate North and South Korea and allowed the return of prisoners. However, no peace treaty was ever signed, and the two Koreas are technically still at war, engaged in a frozen conflict. In April 2018, the leaders of North and South Korea met at the DMZ and agreed to work toward a treaty to end. Overshadowed in history remains a poignant reminder of the human cost of geopolitical strife and the ceaseless pursuit for reconciliation on the Korean peninsula.
Enjoying the content? Hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support means the world to us. We are waiting you in our community of adventure.